Okay guys, so what do you think? Looks nice, huh? Listen, I am generally not used to wearing braces. Okay, I'm not old enough. Is that politically correct? Maybe not. Anyway, I'm more used to wearing a belt. But tell you what, this is surprisingly, or perhaps not so surprisingly, a lot more comfortable in wearing a belt. So yeah, maybe I'm going to shift to wearing a brace to office maybe. Let's see. By the way, although I've never really worn a brace, I did try making one about a couple of years back maybe, and this is what I came up with. It's not made out of canvas, it's actually made out of several layers of cotton and then heavily waxed. It was unusable, yeah. And the quality of stitching was, yeah, it was really bad, I know. But ever since I made this, I always wanted to make one that I could eventually use. So recently I got quite a few tools to work with, and yeah, it came out pretty nice. I got to remove the belt hoops. I don't think you should have belt hoops when you're wearing braces, and certainly you don't want a belt when you're wearing braces. But having said that, yeah, that's it for me in this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.